This is your 7th grade math team. I am Mr. Smith.
I'm Miss Kale.
And I'm Mrs. Hayes.
Today we're just going to introduce you to us and who we are and what team we're on. I am actually, if you're on my team, you're going to be in Team Warriors.
If you're on my team, you are Team Goonies.
And if you're on my team, you're on a split team. So I'm just going to call you the Hay Hays. So welcome to Team 7. We have lots to share with you. So check out our other videos for all of your expectations and ways to be successful in the 7th grade. We cannot wait to see you, whether it's online or in the classroom, and have a wonderful school year. So don't forget to check out those videos so that you know exactly what to do this year. And have a great day.
Bye, guys.